tutorial. This time we're going to be showing you the new KP250 keypad, which goes with the Visonic Powermaster range. This can go with any of the Powermaster systems, the Powermaster 10, the Powermaster 30 and the Powermaster 33. This is your new keypad here, and this goes with this system. So what this does is it means you can have the big box hidden away somewhere, because the big box does require a mains connection and a phone line connection if you've got it connected to give you a call if your line goes off. So it's not instead of the big panel, it's an addition. So we can put this one away and concentrate on the new keypad. So the new KP250 keypad, how to use it. So we're going to show you the basic functions of it: setting, unsetting and part setting your system. So if you look on your keypad, you've got the same symbols down the right hand side. You've got your closed padlock, underneath that you've got the man in the house, that's your part set, and then you've got your unlock padlock. So if you're arming the system, all you need to do is press one key first of all to wake up the screen, and then press the closed padlock, and then that will start arming your system. Turning the system off is unlock padlock, followed by your 4-digit code. And that's it off. So the screen will go to sleep and go blank in a minute. It does this to save the battery life, because the battery life on all the Visonic Powermaster range is 4 to 8 years. So if we're going to set it at night time, we press the man in the house key, press it twice, once to wake up the screen and then once to part set it, and then it's going to be doing this quietly. We program it to do it quietly so it's not disturbing other people going to bed already. Turning the system off, unlock, followed by your 4-digit code. You can also set it and unset it using prox tags. You can get them in a variety of colours. So, setting it, close padlock, once to wake up the screen, press it again, and that will start arming it. We'll just let that set. So we press the unlock button once to wake up the screen, press it again, and then present your tag to where the blue flashing light is, and it's off. Nice and easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please follow the link below for more videos and tutorials. Thank you.